Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for SiteGround, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for SiteGround, start by opening your web browser. Type SiteGround.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the SiteGround homepage loads, find the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to view the hosting plans. Choose a hosting plan that fits your needs. Click on the Select button next to your preferred plan. You will be taken to the domain registration page. If you have a domain, select I already have a domain. Enter your existing domain name in the provided field. If you need a new domain, choose Register a new domain. Type your desired domain name and select the appropriate extension. Click on the Proceed button to continue. Fill in your account details in the required fields. Provide a valid email address, password, and your personal information. Next, choose your preferred billing cycle from the drop-down menu. Review the promotional offers and any add-ons you may want. Select your desired extras and click on Proceed. Enter your payment information in the secure checkout form. Make sure to double-check all the details for accuracy. Once everything looks good, complete your order by clicking on Pay Now. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after your. Follow the instructions in the email to access your new SiteGround account. Congratulations, you are now registered with SiteGround. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.